In this video, we're exploring exercise 4, question 2e, which is to find the value of k if the remainder is 25 when 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x squared plus 5 is divided by x minus k. We begin first with exploring the fact that if our polynomial has k substituted into it, the remainder will be 25. This means that 2k to the power of 4 minus 3k to the power of 2 plus 5 equals 25. We'll have to factorize this, but it might be more aesthetically pleasing if we substitute, say, a u value in for k squared at this point, making this 2u squared minus 3u plus 5 equals 25. Move all values to the left-hand side of the equation, we end up with 2u squared minus 3u minus 20 equals 0. We then factorize this expression, so maybe 2u squared minus 8u plus 5u minus 20. That's one way of doing it. Since 8 and 5 are factors of 40, which is the product of 2 and 20, and they sum to minus 3 when minus 8 plus 5u is calculated. That was an awful explanation. Anyway, let's factorize this into its parts. So we've got u minus 4 plus 5u minus 4, which ends up being 2u plus 5, u minus 4. But this wasn't about u's, was it? It was about the k term. So 2k plus 5, 2k squared rather, plus 5, k squared minus 4 equals 0. This is the difference of two squares. This doesn't factorize any further. So I end up with that as my possible values. This doesn't factorize, so that can't have a k value associated with it in this scenario. But we can also have k equals plus or minus 2 for zeros coming from that part of the equation. Hopefully that helps.